everybody, welcome back. So today we're going to do a video. My camera is still a little messed up. It's a little bit dark around me. I don't know why. I got bright lights. I got the whole thing. I don't know what's going on. But today we're home because there's a hurricane. Well, yeah, there's a hurricane. And luckily it's not going to hit us. We're just getting tropical storms and stuff like that. So yeah, while my power's on, I'm gonna film a video and do some editing and get a video up because I suck. All right. First, I'm going to put some lotion on my face. This Glam Glow orange stuff. It's going to be what we use today because we're trying to get rid of it. I have quite a few pimples on my face. Yeah. It's horrible. It's called hormones and it's yucky. I don't like it. So I'm trying to keep my eye on my phone in case my office calls or somebody from the office calls. Alright, so I'm going to try and find something. I'm struggling here. I'm pulling out all my... I just heard a tree. Damn it. That's all I need is to be dealing with the tree today. Nobody's here but me. Husband went to work. I figured I could handle the storm all by myself. Huh. I don't know about that. So I am going to use my Huda Beauty, if I can find it, foundation. Give a little go at this. We're starting to get to the less sweaty times of the year. Oh, it's so thick. So thick. What is kind of yellowy for my skin. Never had this problem before. Never thought that it looked this way. You guys probably can't tell because the dang thing is not working right. It's just not. I don't know why I'm putting this on with a brush. I should be using a sponge, but oh well. Oh well. Alright, that is heavy. It's even heavy on my eyes. I'm like, I'm gonna pull out my Artis little palm brush and see if that can't blend it in more. It's really good about blending in thicker foundations. Alright. Doesn't feel as bad now. That helped a little bit. And then we're going to put on some powder. I have started to dive into one of my MAC powders because I used up my powder from Charlotte Tilbury, so I'm using my MAC, and this is the rose, the warm rose mineralizing powder. Oh, my peeps. Watch the camera cut off on me anytime now because battery is dead or dying. Alright. So I have just not been in, I've just been working so much I have not been able to film or edit or any of those things, and I really want to get back to this, so we're going to try. I say that every time I'm going to try and get back onto it, but it just doesn't happen. Alright, we're going to go into our Venus XL2 palette. I think I've only used this palette a couple times. Yeah, as you can see, I've only used it a couple times. But I really do like the colors in this palette. I am going to try and go for just a light green look. And we'll see where it goes from there. May have to put some darker colors around it, but I feel like I haven't done green in a long time. No green. Absolutely no greens. So we'll take a hit at that. Enzo's right underneath my feet because he's being a little pain in the butt today, and he doesn't want to be out of my sight. I don't think he feels good. So it's the story of my life with these dogs. They never feel good. You know, I'm gonna do my brows first. Let me slap these brows on real quick because sometimes I think it's easier to get an idea. See how much I've used in my brow. Oh, that's the wrong side, Susan. What a dipstick I am. It's awfully loud out there. Probably the only person in the world that's like stressed out because I'm not at work. That's how crazy I am. I am just, I cannot find a brow product that I'm in love with right now. It's bugging me. Bugging me. Trying everything. I just ordered some Hourglass, I think it is. Pencils. Let's see if I like that. I ordered the new Kathleen Lights palette, the big one off of ColourPop today. I think it released today. And I should have just bought a pencil from them because I do like their pencil. A lot. I tell you a lot. Alright, where I just saw you somewhere. You nice little thing. I'm looking for my brown gel. I just saw it. Was that here or at work? I don't know. I'll find it in a minute, or I'll find something. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and dive into this palette. I'm going to start out with this sage color right here and see how much I can get into onto my eye color-wise, like what it looks like when it comes on, and it looks like, oh, it's building. The more I put on, it's building in color. It's pretty light, but that's good. It's kind of gonna be like a work look. I don't feel right when I'm so bold at work with my makeup. I don't know why. I'm so bold about everything else. Alright. So mostly this palette is like browns and greens and pinks. I'm really struggling here. What should I do? I think I'm going to try this Laurel shade right here. And I'm just going to put that on my finger and go on my eye with it. It's a little bit bright. Just try it. Try it, see if you like it. Let me just see something right now. Let me try this. I'm going to try this ivy over top of it just to see if I can get a little bit more green to it. Yes. That's a little bit better. Alright, I'm just going to put the ivy on this other eye and see. Yeah, I like that much better than that yellowish gold color on the other side. So let's just put a little bit more of that on the other side. Yeah. Set this aside for right now. Ugh, I'm sorry, my phone is going crazy. LuLaRoe on sale. You guys, I'm gonna buy some more. Actually put in an order this morning. I don't know what my problem is. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on my bottom and smudge it out. I really like a smoked look. I am gonna start doing, I have been saving some pictures on Instagram, like of eye looks that I want to try. I really don't think I'm talented enough to do them, but we're going to try. We're gonna try. Now we're putting a little bit of light in our inner corner. This is called Radiant. I'll show it to you in a minute. I have way too many palettes. I sure do, because I never get to this palette, but I do like it. So it's this shade right here, Radiant, is what I was putting in my eye, and I'm like digging into my palette with my friggin' nails. Stop doing that, you're tearing shit up. Alright, let's put some bronzer on. We're going to use our Marc Jacobs Tantastic. And this is our Too Faced little brush that I love. I love bronzer. It's my favorite thing, I think. I think it's my favorite. And then I would say lipstick was, but... Okay. Let's put some highlighter on. And I think I'm going to use my little... I've been using this little Ofra Nikkie Tutorials Everglow highlighter. I stick in the 2 lighter shades. That other shade is just too dark for me. So I kind of stay away from it. Where'd you do that brush at, Susan? What'd you do? I could find it if it was dead in front of my face. So I'm going to kind of go over in like the medium color shade. And we're just doing a little bit of... This is my MAC highlighting brush. This is so much better than my, it's a 137, a MAC 137. I really do think it's better than the Anastasia one. Just, it doesn't look as placed, you know? You kind of feel like with the Anastasia, it feels like a line on your face. This really kind of, as fluffy as it is, it just blends it out really good. Alright. Now let's put on some mascara. See how this works out for us. Alright guys, what do we think? Ooh. Alright, so I'm pretty happy with how this is turning out. Even happy with the foundation, though it does seem a little bit weighted just because I haven't been wearing this thick of a foundation and this much coverage. but I think I can get used to it. I would want my brows to be a little bit darker, but because I cannot find what I'm looking for, I have no idea what happened to that. I really did have a brow or something to fix this. Let's see if I can touch them up a little bit, make them darker. But yeah, so, you know, I don't think, I mean, my pores are big, so you're going to see my pores. Oh, I hate those lines, and I hate those wrinkles up there. It's Botox time. Botox. Just going to make a couple days appointment. Oh, couple days appointment with a plastic surgeon. So I can get some work done. Make a spa weekend out of it. Most of that stuff is over in Virginia Beach or in Richmond. So, yeah, stay over there. Alright, that helps a little bit. I do really like them dark. Okay. So we're going to put on a little lipstick, and it's a, it is a Jouer liquid, and it's called Truffle. It's just one of the little mini ones out of the Christmas. All right. All right, everybody. So this is the look. I didn't really do anything fancy with my face, with my eyes, but just a simple little look for work. This was pretty much what I would do and head out the door. And even with my hair, I would just put my fingers in my hair, kind of rough it up a little bit, and then I'm out. So if you like this look, and you want me to glam it up a little bit, please let me know down below in the comments. Otherwise, I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Mwah!